The NGO Bureau requires that non-profit organizations provide financial statements to help assess their performance for funding from different entities and big humanitarian organizations. Because of the different assessment frameworks used, there are limitations on suitability for necessary funds to run respective projects.
Different frameworks or guidance that NGOs or not-for-profit entities follow when they are preparing their financial statements, meaning the output will be financial reports that are very hard to compare. Everybody is doing it according to their policies or their international organization preference or what the donor says. So at the end of the day, you might not have information to have a comparative ability within the sector.
Accounting officers and auditors in this space admit that indeed there is a conflict in the accounting practice, and it is high time that the concern took heed, since it's not only injurious to their financial abilities but also a block to development.
Overdue discussion, so we really do agree that it's important for these kinds of symposiums to take place to bring the different stakeholders together.
There will be consistency. You can do comparison across different NGOs and see who is doing what better than the other. What we also anticipate out of this is that the job of the accountants and the regulators will become much easier, because it's that one standard that will be followed to say, did you comply or you didn't comply? And there's no more haggling on whether or not you did the wrong thing or the right thing, because the right thing will be clear.
Key advisory accounting standards, for instance, impact analysis, transaction support, reorganization and restructuring, that are still reflected from BDO East Africa, are major implements that will help revive performance of NPOs, as the managing partner clearly stated that they are the bridge to international funders.
We as professional accountants, we are the ones who are responsible for participating in the process of producing financial reports. That means we need to make sure that the rules, because accounting frameworks are rules that guide accounting, that the rules take into account our view, because we have been actually in the kitchen. So we can't fail to be part of the people to process the food. So that our views that are unique to Uganda, are probably unique to Africa, are taken into account in this framework that's going to be international.
Every business faces a financial reporting or accounting issue at some point when reporting their financial reports. In these situations, expert advice underpinned by an in-depth understanding of international financial reporting standards is crucial.